Hello everyone. I hope everyone are doing well. And myself, Sindhushri. I'm currently pursuing second year engineering in CSE branch. Today, let us go to discuss operating system of Mac. Before discussing what is Mac, like Mac operating system, let us know what is operating system. Operating system is nothing but it acts as an intermediary between user of a computer and the computer hardware. Means it acts like a connecting path between user and the computer hardware. The purpose of operating system is to provide an environment in which user can execute their programs conveniently and efficiently. So operating system helps user to execute their programs with effectively and without any errors. Then features of an operating system are convenience, efficiency, ability to evolve, and throughput. Okay, now let us discuss what is Mac operating system 10. Usually, Mac operating system is a Unix-based operating system. It is released on 2001 as the successor to the Mac operating system 9. Operating System 10 incorporates the support for Unix-based application as well as those written specifically for Mac. Mac operating system 9 only supports the Unix-based application, whereas Mac operating system 10 supports both Unix-based applications and also the program which is specially written for the Mac. Within the market desktop and laptop computers, it is the second most widely used desktop OS. Whereas in the market, Mac is the second most widely used and the first most used is Microsoft Windows. A prominent part of Mac OS original brand identity was the use of Roman numeral 10, pronounced 10 as in Mac OS 10 and also the iPhone 10. Then it is released on the March 2001 24th. Apple released the first version of its Mac OS 10 operating system. OS 10 has been now over the years its simplicity, aesthetic interference, advanced technologies, application security and accessibility options. This Mac OS 10 provides all these facilities, all these applications. Now let us look Mac OS 10 from the date it is released to till now, how many variations or the changes has been or the updated has been done. So these are all the updaters which we came across from 2001 to 2020. At first cheetah, then second puma, jaguar, panther, tiger, leopard, snow leopard, lion, mountain lion, mavics, yosemite, el captain, syrah, high syrah, mojave, catalina, big sur, monterey. Then now let us see at first what is Cheetah and what are the key features of this operating system. It is released on March 24, 2001 and the key features of Cheetah is Aqua UI, dock terminal, mail, address block and text edit. It is the first major operating system 10 released. Okay, then the second operating system is Puma. It was released on September 25th, 2001. The key features of Puma is enhanced system performance, customizable iDVD support, peripheral support, etc. These are the key features of this Puma, which was updated from Cheetah. Like Cheetah is a basic version, then Puma is one step above Cheetah. Then in Cheetah has a fast menu navigation and long in as well as configurable options such as dock and new system menus with controls for volume, battery life, etc. Then after Puma we obtained Jaguar while it is released on August 23rd, 2002 and the key features of this Jaguar are mail with junk filter, iChat, universal access, finder with built-in search. After Jaguar it is Panther. It was released on October 2003 in the date of 24th. The key features of Panther are Expose, iChat AV, Safari, File Vault, and it is useful feature that lets user instantly view all open windows at once. We can view all the open windows at once, and current program for just view files on the desktop. Then after this Panther, it now let us look about the Tiger. The Tiger released on April 29, 2005. It was introduced by WWDC 2004. It includes Universal Search Client Spotlight, which allowed users to search their entire system from the menu bar for files, emails, contacts, images, etc. And the key feature of this Tiger is Spotlight, Dashboard, Safari RSS, iChat with multi-video and multi-audio, Automator, VoiceOver, etc. After Tiger, it is Leopard. It was released on October 26, 2007, and Apple introduced OS X Leopard at WWDC 2006. And it became a redefining moment for its software since it was noted to be the largest update of OS X. Leopard was the largest update of OS X, which was having more features. It was also made user friendly. It featured modernized look with a three-dimensional reflective dock, a semi-transparent menu bar, larger drop shadows for active windows, and new high-resolution icons. After this Leopard, Snow Leopard was released, and it was released on August 28, 2009. The key features of this Snow Leopard is it has a 64-bit and Grand Central Dispatch, OpenCL, improved system performance. It was introduced on at WWDC in 2009. Then after this Snow Leopard, it released Lion. Lion was released on July 20, 2011. It is at a special event called Back to the Mac. It was having more features where it is also called as Back to the Mac, and it officially supported multi-touch gestures with added gestures and responses such as rubber band scrolling, page and image zoom, and full screen swiping. Apps could be full screen for the first time in the operating system was evolved all this time. Before Lion we could not see the apps full screen. Lion is the operating system where we can see the apps full screen. After Lion, it is Mountain Lion. It was released on July 25th, 2012, and the key features of Mountain Lion is iCloud, reminders, notes, messages, notification centers, detection, Facebook and Twitter, integration, AirPlay, Ging and Center. In this Mountain Lion, we could get notifications from all the apps, application programs. Then after this Mountain Lion, it is Mavericks, which was released on October 22nd, 2013. It was introduced at WWDC in 2013. It replaced its Big Cat naming convention with the places in Apple's home state of California. Then after Mavericks, operating system released was Yosemite. It was released on October 16, 2014, and key features of Yosemite is new design, continuity, handoff, revamped apps, iCloud Drive. The update included the flat graphic design. What are the updates which was made in Yosemite was a flat graphic design, blurred translucence effects, updated icons, light and dark color schemes. Mac could now receive and make a call from iPhone on the same Wi-Fi network. After Yosemite, it is El Capitan. It was released on September 30, 2015. It was announced at WWDC 2025. It enhanced the design and usability of OS X, Yosemite with the performance and security improvements. Yosemite was best, but in this El Capitan, they concentrate more about the security features. There also features include split view, which placed two full screen apps side by side. After El Capitan, it is Sierra, which was released on September 20, 2016. The key features of this Sierra is Apple Voice Activated Assistant Siri. Nowadays, when we need any help or when we get bored, we try to talk with a Siri, or if we want any informations, we'll say Siri, which was released in this operating system. And now on desktop, universal clipboard for sharing content with iOS devices, auto unlock with your Apple Watch. Then user could access Siri in the upper right hand corner of the menu bar between the notification center and the spotlight menu icons, a dock icon, menu bar icon, or a hotkey. After this Sierra, the next is High Sierra, which was released on fall 2017, which has more good features better than Sierra. It was introduced at WWDC 2017. Mac OS High Sierra was an iterative update to Mac OS Sierra. This version introduced Apple file system to the efficiently manage data for better performance, as well as a new industry standards for 4K video, high efficiency video coding, and also HEVC or H.265. After this High Sierra, it is Mojave. It was released on fall 2018. The key features of Mojave is updated UI with new dark mode, desktop and Finder enhancements, including stacks, groups, FaceTime, remapped Mac O App Store, security enhancement, and screenshot video recording continuity cameras. After Mojave, it is Catalina, which was released on 2019. The update made by this Catalina is Apple made a push to draw gamers to a company's desktop with Apple Arcade. We can if we use some of the operating system, we feel it may hack, but in this operating system, the company they push to draw games to the company's desktop with Apple Arcade, a game subscription services that costs $5 a month. Apple also rolled out new desktop version for several entertainment apps, Apple Music, Apple Podcast, Apple TV, to help user to find the content they want to listen to or watch. These are the features which is added in Catalina, that they can listen music, podcast, TV, everything. Now let us look about what is Big Sur, and it is released on fall 2020. The key features of this Big Sur are Apple Silicon support, updates to Safari, messages and maps, new GUI with customizable menu bar featuring a new control center. After this Big Sur, and the current operating system for Mac is Monterey. It was released on June 7, 2021, and this Monterey have a variety of changes aimed at making it easier for Mac users to connect online and stay focused on what they are doing on the desktop. Safari gets an overhaul that moves tabs high in the browser windows, effectively combining tabs, the toolbar, and the search field, and allows user to create a tab groups that can be shared. Monterey also gets a shortcut which helps user automable task and is integrated throughout the operating system. And it is the last, which is currently we are using Monterey as the Mac operating system. Now let us look into what are the advantages and disadvantages of Mac operating system 10. At first, what are the advantages of Mac operating system 10 are few virus attacks. In Mac, the virus cannot be attacked easily. It provides such a security level for the all users. Good customer support, similar GUI for all the products, performance and long life. In Mac, it gives a good performance, and it stored for very long life. Supports NTFS and FAT. And the major disadvantages of this Mac operating system 10 is it is expensive. The normal people cannot buy it easily. Few games and software. It means that if we are installing games in in Windows, we can directly install from the Play Store. But if we want to install a game software in this Mac, we have to pay for it. So it has few games and software, and no hardware customization. Windows cannot read the file the Mac OS file system. It means if we have done any documents in Mac, it cannot be read in the Windows file. So these are the major advantages and disadvantages of Mac operating system. I hope everyone understood what is Mac operating system 10 and how it existed from 2001 to 2023. Thank you.